Hello and welcome to this course on Microsoft Power BI, where we'll be looking at the powerful features that this Microsoft Business Intelligence tool has to offer. So as already mentioned, BI stands for Business Intelligence. As we all know that the businesses today deal with a large amount of data and information, but the problem being that this data is in the raw format. So most of the people and most of the companies are looking for such resources who can format this data in a way that helps them in taking effective business decisions. If this is not done, if the data is not processed, then this raw data is not much of a use. And now the question arises, how can we convert this raw data into some meaningful data? And that's where the BI tools come to our rescue. So let's start with the introduction to Microsoft Power BI. Yes, this is a product from Microsoft. And Power BI is nothing but a tool that lets you connect your data to not just one source, but to multiple data sources. Once you're connected, you can convert your data to dashboards and you can present it to your team, your customer, anyone at any time. So one of the questions that must be coming to your mind is, why Power BI? Why not any other tool? So let me take you further and give you an insight that why business intelligence tools are so important. So as you can see that BI can help answer these 5 whats. What happened? What is happening? Why did it happen? What will happen? And what do I want to happen? So let's start with the first one. What happened? So let's say, for example, I'm running my business for last 4 to 5 years, and unfortunately, continuously I have been facing loss in my business. Now, if I don't analyze my data, I would never come to know that what has happened, what has gone wrong, that I am facing this loss. I will fail to understand that why my customers are giving me negative feedbacks and what is that my product is lacking. Now, when I do analyze my data, is I come to know that why is that my business is performing the way it is. So this is the first question that BI helps you answer. What happened? What happened that the situation is currently the way it is? Now let's move on to the second question. What is happening? Now this is a very important question because every business believes that it should follow the current trend. We must have seen certain brands which were once upon a time at the top of their games but have now completely vanished from the market because they failed to keep up with the current trends. So with Power BI, you can understand the need and demand of the people. So in this way, it helps you answer the second what, that is, what is happening? What is the current trend of the market? Now the third question is, why did it happen? Now let's say I launched a new product into the market and it failed. With Power BI, I can understand where my product lagged and what is that caused my launch to fail. So Power BI can help us in such crucial situations. For example, I newly launched a motorbike in the market, but it is not able to get a good amount of sales order. Now when I analyze my data, it will help me understand whether my launch has actually met the demands of the customer. Is it helping the customers get what they need? While manufacturing my product, have I actually addressed the customer's need? So Power BI will help us in answering these questions. Now the fourth question is, what will happen? So this relates to the forecasting tool. So while running a business, I will be interested in knowing what will happen to my business. Say, where will my business stand tomorrow, next week, or next month, or after so many years? So I want to understand the trend of my business. In Power BI, there are inbuilt forecasting tools which can help us create scenarios, help us create goal seek. In this course, we look into all these Power BI forecasting tools and how to use them in our analysis. So basically, Power BI gives you a very good picture or very good idea about where your business will be if you follow a certain trend. So BI will be able to answer what your profit margin will be in another 12 months' time. Now the fifth what that Power BI helps answer is what do I want to happen? Now it's very important to understand that unless you analyze your data, you will fail to understand what your customers' needs and requirements are and what is that the market is looking for.